Excuse me. Hi.
Hi.
You're right.
Yeah.
Are you Arabic? Are you Muslim?
Yeah, I'm from Tunisia.
Okay, you fasting today?
Yeah.
You fasting?
Yeah.
I've got a challenge for you. Basically, I've got here an iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've got a camera there. I'm doing YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
I don't mind.
You don't mind, okay.
Okay.
So basically, I've got here an iPhone 12 Pro Max, brand new. And I got a challenge from you. If you do one thing in 10 minutes, this phone could be yours.
Okay. That's cool.
Okay, I got here a bottle of water.
Yeah.
You have to drink a little bit from it
No, I can't. I'm fasting.
to break your fast.
No.
And you win this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Just a little bit, just for today.
No, I can't. Sorry.
Why not?
No.
Just a little bit.
No, I can't. Something.
Come on, just... It's like, for an iPhone 12 Pro Max, you wouldn't do it.
No, I can't.
You wouldn't do it.
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Just wait a second. It's okay. Why you ignoring me? Come
I
on.
wanna.
Excuse me? You Muslim?
Yes, alhamdulillah, yeah. What's up?
You fasting
Why are you
today?
recording?
Oh, basically, I'm doing YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, I don't mind.
Wait. Stay here. Wait. Let's see other people how they would react. Basically, I've got a challenge.
Where are you from?
Tunisia. What about you, mate?
Excuse me.
سوريا بتحكي عربي؟
أحكي عربي.
حبيبي كيفك؟ تمام؟
Okay. You fasting today?
الحمد لله يام يس.
Okay, I got a challenge for you. I've got here an iPhone 12 Pro Max, brand new, and you could win it if you do one thing, just one thing.
Oh, I could win an iPhone.
Yes.
Oh, بربح ايفون.
Yeah, but I have to listen to them.
Okay, the challenge is you have hold this bottle of water, please. You have to drink a little bit from this bottle of water and break your fast. Would you do it?
Oh.
For an iPhone
For an
12
iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yes, for
Can I see it?
Yes, you can see it. It's brand new. It's not opened.
Oh, iPhone 12 Pro Max. If I drink water I will.
Yes. If you drink just a little bit, you don't have to drink a
بتساويها؟
lot.
No.
ما بتساويها.
لا.
طب أنا بساويها ليش؟ I will do it.
سويها.
Yes, I will do it.
يلا.
I will do it.
You're joking.
No, I'm not joking, man. But I will win it, yeah?
Yes, it's for you. All for you.
بربح الايفون. اوه
All
رح
for
اربح
you.
الايفون يا زلمه. ليش انت ما سويتها؟ ليش ما شربت مي؟ ليش؟
نجمش.
ما نجمت. ليش يعني؟
على خاطر رمضان.
والله رمضان. ممكن بسويها.
You do it for an iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yes, I would do it. So
Look
if I
at him,
drink
he's
water.
doing it. He's drinking. He's fast for it.
Wait, ليش هيك عملت؟ شو لك عندي حبيبي؟ انا بدي اشرب مي مقابل. شو لك عندي حبيبي؟ انا بدي اشرب مي مقابل الايفون. ليش عم تحكي معي انت حبيبي؟ شو لك علاقه؟ ليش هيك عملت؟ بتعرف is he with you?
No, he's not.
Is he with you? So why? How you allowed to do this to me?
تليفون يا عم.
تليفون بربح الايفون. شو بدك
Get
مني؟
the phone.
So what? I want to win the iPhone. Why did you throw the water like this? Why did you throw it like this?
I need it.
Why? Come here. تعال حبيبي. تعال هلا. تعال. شو مشكلتك انت؟
ما عندي مشكلة يا عم.
شو
رمضان
مشكلتك؟
يا عم.
رمضان. طب انا بدي اربح ايفون. شو لك عندي؟ مقابل ايفون انا بساوي كل شيء.
يا عم
ايفون.
يا عم انت بتهزر ولا ايه؟
انا ما عم هزر بس انه ليش يعني مقابل ايفون يعني بساوي كل شيء.
Come on.
ليش رشيتني بالمي هيك؟
Look, there is still water. You
يا
can
عم
drink it.
تأجر فيك انا.
You can drink it and win this iPhone.
ايه يا عم؟ ايش بيك؟
يا عم انت حبيبي شو لك علاقه انت؟ شو لك عن...
كمان مي. What's going on?
خلص صلي على النبي. صلي على النبي. اللهم اني صايم. انا معه. I am with her.
فاهم بتصير.
This is just social experiment and I am with her. and والله انت
أنت
كفو. انا معه للبنت وعم نعمل فيديو والله الرياكشن تبعك كفو لعند السما. لانك دافعت. انا معها هلا انا والحمد لله صايم وانا ما لها هيك بس عم نعمل نشوف ردة فعل العالم اذا شخص ثاني يعني بيقول لك انه انا بدي افشل صيامي. شوف كيف ردة فعله. والله انت كفو. بما انك عملت الرياكشن هي هذا الايفون مبروك عليك قدام الكاميرا. مبروك عليك. ربحت الايفون 12 برو ماكس. مبروك عليك.
شكرا.
والله
صدمتني.
والله صدمتك. مبروك عليك. والله الرياكشن تبعك عباني مي يا جماعه.
سوري انا ما
عباني مي اقسم بالله قدام الكاميرا. حبيبي والله كفو الشاب. حبيبي بتمانع هذا الفيديو يكون على اليوتيوب؟ عادي ما اوكي حبيبي. شكرا لك. صيامك
شكرا
شكرا لك يا جماعه.
Thank you very much.
شوفوا شو ساووا فيني اقسم بالله يا جماعه.